Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Educational Society Group of Institutions and Integrated Campus. Department of Civil Engineering. Myself, Suresh Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Civil Engineering. In today's lecture, the technical terms used in leveling. The technical term is height of instrument. What is this height of instrument? Height of instrument can be denoted as HI. It is the level elevation of the line of a sight of a telescope. See, if here line of a telescope, if you see, if you are using any dumpy level, auto level or digital level, the height of that instrument, okay, the line of sight, the center of this line of collimation will treated as the height of that particular instrument. Okay, next, back sight. What is back sight? It is a sight reading taken on the level staff head on the point of known elevation, that is called benchmark. If you see here, this is the elevation we have taken on the leveling staff, that is known as backside. Foresight. What is foresight? It is the latest reading taken on the leveling staff kept at the station from the instrument station before shifting the instrument. The foresight is nothing but the second reading. Before shifting, if you are taking any reading, that is called as foresight. And intermediate station. What is intermediate station? Readings taken after backside and before foresight for a particular setup of the instrument known as intermediate sight. That is, whatever the before, backside and foresight, you are taking the observations, that observations all comes under intermediate sight. Change point. What is this change point? This is also known as turning point. This is the point on which both foresight and backside are taken. After taking foresight, the instrument is shifted to other convenient position and backside is taken on the staff held at the same point, is known as changing point. See, all these terms are used when you are doing leveling survey. See, if you don't know the terminology of this backside, foresight, intermediate sight and height of the instrument, you can't conduct leveling survey. So why we'll do this change point means the change point will be done due to any reasons we are not to continue the survey on that particular stretch, then we go for a change point. In that change point, either due to the elevation or due to the depression, it may be shifted of that particular point. If you see here how these IP, IP2, IP3, all these observations, this is a benchmark station A with reference to that backside. First one, whatever the reading we are taking, that is backside. Then I have taken the reading, that is foresight, and again I shifted the instrument and I have taken this, that is first reading, that is backside, and I whatever the readings have taken that are intermediate side, the last reading of before shifting that instrument, that is called as foresight. That is my foresight. Again I changed the instrument, shifted the instrument. So again my first reading as backside and my last reading as foresight have taken. These values A, B, C, D, E, F survey stations, whatever the stations here consider, that A, B, C, D, E, or F are the survey stations, the changing points are 1, 2, 3 and foresight and backside and intermediate side. See, if it is my station A benchmark, the BS is B1, is B2 and B3. These are the back sides. These are intermediate sides and these are foresights. So where you are shifted the instrument, they have recorded in this tabular form. Whenever you are doing this leveling survey, we need to take the values on a field and we need to enter in this tabular form, which is shown in this lecture. So this is called backside, foresight and intermediate side. So we'll discuss the methods of leveling in the next class. So here also, if you want to find out these, there are so many ways to take these backside, foresight and intermediate side. There are so many methods according to the priority of work. We need to choose which type of method is suitable for that particular survey. So we'll discuss that what types of methods of leveling in the next class. Okay, thank you.